Hi guys, uh, this is the new vacuum cleaner that I bought it from Amazon. This is from SVHT brand, and this is 22 volts, and the weight is very less, which is around like 7 lbs only. I'm just feeling this the quality of this brand. This is really very finest quality that I have ever seen with the lowest price. The beauty of this one is, like, they have provided everything. This is the motor. I feel this is very less weight, and also they have given this retractable tube extender. This is really beautiful, and this is the battery. Also, they have given 3 filters, 2 of them here, and inside is 1. And this is very easy removable. Just open this one. There is a filter. You can remove the filter and you can easily replaceable. We no need to buy the filter for at least 1 more year. This is really very cool feature that they have provided. And this is the section. If you look at the blade, there is soft fur that they have provided. This is really good, and it is rotating very smoothly. And the other feature that I am seeing is this is two-way useful. One is like a brush one, and just if you can move this one, this can be used anywhere, on the tables and on the sofas that if you wanted to clean out. It is really useful. Also, they have provided one gadget here to clean up the brush, or if you stuck with any hair kind of thing here, and the other side, the blade is there, so you can easily pull out. This is very useful. Also, they have provided this charger, 100 to 240 volts charger. So this we can install on the wall, and you can easily hang it. This is a really great product, and the quality also looks really good. Very easily assemblable. You can just fill this, and you can install very easily. This is the battery. Just everything. You don't need any tools at all. Just click and use it. That's it. That's it. Performing really good. Very easy removal, and put it back. Easily removable. Put it back. Easily extendable. Put it back. The speed increase, and increase the speed up to 3 levels.